Hey guys, it's me Ayra here and
Ayra Arissa and
Ayra and Arissa's sister. Today we are traveling to Terengganu. So we just got breakfast. Here are our pillows and stuff. And yeah, as you see on my shirt, it says I don't need fashion. Fashion needs me. So I'm a little bit boring. What should we do?
play slime.
Yeah, let's play slime. So I bought a couple slimes with me. My sister just played. Don't play. Don't play. Give me. So here's my slime. This is just simple, easy tea slime.
I want to
Wait.
attacked.
So this is just simple, easy tea slime.
Slimy, can you speak in English?
So
Parents!
this is just simple, easy tea slime. You just need glue. I don't use white glue. I use clear glue, and it works. So yeah, I use clear glue. I use clear glue. I use clear glue, shaving foam, and also activator or contact lens solution. That for the thing for your skin. Contact lens solution. So yeah. And to make it softer, I add baby oil.
What is the baby oil?
I add the baby oils on my bag. I'm so sorry. So I add baby oil too. If you don't want to add baby oil, that's okay. That's why you make your slime softer. Oh yeah, make your slime softer.
Where are you going?
So yeah, I'm gonna play with my slime. It's white color, and I'm calling this marshmallow fluff. Yeah.
I can't play. I want to play your slime.
Did you bring along your panda tumbler?
What tumbler?
This morning, just now. Did you bring along your panda tumbler?
What tumbler?
Panda water bottle.
Oh yeah, we bought it.
We bought it.
Sorry guys.
Finish already.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm gonna play with slime. Simple, easy tea, clear glue, shaving foam, and activator, contact lens solution. The thing for your skin. You can use Tide, anything. Yeah, I just use activator dynamo. You can use Downy or anything. So yeah, it's coming together. So I keep it in a case. Apple lady, I keep it in a case. And
I give it to her as a present.
yeah, and to make it softer.
It's already break.
And to make it softer, you need to add baby oil. If you don't want to add any baby oil, that's okay. That's okay. I just want my slime to be softer. So yeah, I just want my slime to be softer. Here is my slime. I'm calling this marshmallow fluff. It just looks like a bunch of melted marshmallow.
I want to play.
Wait. Okay. So let's show the fans first. Show the fans. Here is the slime. Okay, my sister just cried because she just want to play with the slime. And we're going to play Do Not to Get Satisfied moment. So my sister's going to play with slime. And she's going to be able to satisfy it. If I got satisfied, I'll lose. Okay. Show. Hey, the cap! The cap!
The cat.
The cat. Okay, the cat.
The cat.
The green cat.
I thought you were saying our cat.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
That's our marshmallow fluff. It's really stretchy, really
And it's
soft.
so soft. It's like real marshmallow.
Yeah, I add a lot of baby oil. I don't know why.
Because she wants to make it really soft. I like playing slime.
Yeah, and the matter of slime, you guys. I decided to put slime and traveling. See? That's going to be... So, I don't get any satisfying moments. But comment down below if she have a satisfying...
If you guys have a satisfying moment, you lose.
Yeah. I'm playing with slime. I think I get satisfied.
Just a little bit.
I think just a little bit. So I lose, but this is really stretchy though, guys. Look, this slime.
Can we make some more?
cookie, but I don't have any ingredients. I cannot make in the car. The only thing that I have in the car is just baby oil.
Yeah, just baby oil.
Yeah.
Do you want to make it softer or what?
No, I don't want to make it
Is that enough, right?
Yeah, that's enough. I will ruin this texture of slime. My sister's getting one. So yeah, so if you want to know how to make the slime, it's simple. You need to have glue, shaving foam, shaving cream.
Good thing there's
I
no
use
hair.
clear glue.
Good thing there's no hair, right?
I use I don't like fluffy slime with no hair.
Yeah, she's always stressed about it.
Yeah, it makes me stress. So clicky. Oh my gosh.
It's so breakable.
It's not breakable. It's stretchy. Look.
Oh yeah.
You need to be gentle with it. Oh. So I decided to buy slime if I'm like, I don't know,
Bored.
if I'm like bored.
Because we don't
I
want to buy toys.
we don't only bought toys. I bought a couple toys, like an eraser, a burger eraser.
I also bought some.
I bought a couple stickers, I guess. Yeah, I bought, like, I don't know,
She's so
a plushie owl. She is sleeping right now.
Because it was already in the morning, so she shouldn't be sleeping.
Yeah, I should be sleeping.
She's in her
And,
bed.
yeah, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up and click the notification bell. And yeah, we're traveling. We're traveling to Terengganu, so we just have breakfast and yeah.
Yeah, the breakfast is so long. We just totally drove like a 6 hour.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need it, I guess.
It's not sticky anymore.
Yeah, it's not sticky.
Can I try to have
No! No! You have a lot!
Oh, you have a lot too.
No, you have a lot. Look, I want to have a bit. You have a lot.
Okay. What's this green stuff?
I don't know what's that green stuff.
It kind of makes the poo-poo face.
Okay.
Just make the poo-poo face. Sounds real tight.
Ayra Arissa.
Oh, so we decided to take a picture, guys.
A selfie!
Okay, that's just a selfie. Sorry, you guys. Oh, yeah, we're playing slime.
Ayra, come closer.
Okay.
Okay.
Slime. Okay, we're taking selfies.
So my hair like that. Push-ups say, I just want holodrama. And I love it, and no disco with drama. I don't want to be
So clicky.
Yeah.
You hear that clicking sound, right?
Yeah.
I love fluffy slime than regular slime. I know how to make fluffy slime. But regular slime is too easy to make. I'm just not obsessed.
You just want to take the hard step.
I'm going to take the hard step. The cloud slime, I got cloud slime too. That makes me like 100 tries. I don't want cloud slime with me.
Yeah, because it's like too fashionable and pretty. Because
I don't
last time
wanna go.
we add a strawberry in the fluffy slime, but we think it's not good, and it's like all like mashed
Up
potatoes.
potatoes.
Like, oh, hey, we said it together. We're besties.
Of course, we're besties. That's why we're sisters. And we don't have any brother. It's just
We
me.
don't like brothers. He's always like,
I get it before him.
yes, we get it before.
So yeah, comment down below.
You know what? I got a little bit of pink stuff. Oh, if I get this thing on me, it's gonna turn pink.
Sure.
Because my hand got pink stuff.
So guys, this is when I'm boring. When I'm bored at the airport and stuff, I literally play slime.
Look at the pink stuff.
fluffy slime.
Mommy, while you're watching some Netflix.
Oh yeah, my mommy watching some Netflix. Oh my god. He's watching some Netflix. We're not watching some Netflix, we're shooting a video.
Yeah, for you guys. Please, thumbs up. Show your fingers.
So yeah.
So squishy. I want my straight. I want my straight.
Oh gosh.
I'm excited for a hotel room. So maybe we'll make some videos at the middle of the night. Then we'll shoot up again.
Oh, this is so cool. That's so satisfying.
It doesn't even want to come
Oh
out.
my god.
Jiggle it.
Oh my god, just stick into the camera. Okay.
It's not, right? Because this is only unreadable. Look at that.
Here we go, guys. Play. Play.
I stick it on you guys. Hey!
I only make a bit of.
I want.
It depends on how much
Glue?
shaving foam.
And glue.
No, shaving foam. If the glue, it depends on how much sticky you want. So I just add just a bit shaving foam. I don't know why, but I'll just add it. I love playing slime.
Oh, it's not.
Slime is my life.
Slime's for life.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make more fluffy slime like this because it's like a
There's
little bit.
some that I feel I don't like. One of the best slime that I like
Is this?
yeah is a fluffy slime. It's white color. I'm just gonna keep it white.
We are not gonna color it.
Yeah.
Even though I got food coloring on my fingers.
Oh my gosh! I got a long mustache. This slime is stretchy.
I want some. I just got a little.
So my sister just got a little bit, she said. So I'm going to get
Oh, you
her-
sit on the fans. Why you always want to sit on the fans?
Okay, whatever. Here we go. I'm giving her some more slime.
Yay!
I love slime.
Now you got a little bit.
And I'm going to make a slime swirl. I don't know how to make a slime swirl. Comment down below how to make a slime swirl. Comment down below.
I know how to make slime swirl.
I want to hear from the friends' idea.
You don't want to hear my idea?
And comment down below what's your favorite slime. My favorite slime is fluffy slime.
My favorite slime is fluffy slime. I mean fishbowl.
Oh yeah, she loves fishbowl, but I don't want to fishbowl because it's hard to get in the container.
Hey! Why you always say that thing? You always don't like every single slime.
I don't know. I don't like it. I like fluffy slime.
Okay.
It's the
I'll throw all your slime.
I don't care. I can make more.
But it's hard to break. Mommy has to use all your ingredients.
No, you don't really have to use.
She has to use them.
Aw, please. I'll already give you this slime. Like,
Yeah.
comment down below if she's mean. Okay, guys. Oh, this is so crunchy. Okay, so I'm gonna give a bit to my sister of this slime. This is all that we have. Like,
Mommy, she's being rude.
okay,
She doesn't give me my slime.
here we go. Slime. I only got a little bit. So yeah, that's. Oh my gosh. Aw, she got lots. Okay, so yeah, and here's my slime. So stretchy. Hey, let's play this game. What? Stick. Oh yeah, I stick. Oh yeah, booyah. Oh yeah. This literally smells like baby oil and shave foam. I don't smell the dynamo. I got a long mustache, yo. What is a cool mustache?
It's in my nose.
I just love fluffy slime. That's why I bought with me. And I don't have time to soften it up at the middle of the night because it's time for Sleepy to go to our traveling. So yeah, I decided to soften it up in the car.
Yeah.
The one thing about slime is like it's squishing out.
This will not do this to your sister. Sister.
Oh my gosh. How to stick it. Oh, that's not fair. Yeah. Who is the lowest is going to be the winner. I'm the lowest.
Yay, I want to scream.
So we love playing slime and we don't know what to do. We're so boring. We have a couple toys with us, so we're gonna show what is in our backpack. So
I'm gonna go first.
So she's gonna go first.
So this is my cutie tiny bag.
Okay, she bought from Smiggle.
And there's a lot of
I'm gonna
cotton.
keep the slime.
So first thing I keep in my backpack is
Hey, where's the?
A little bit random is an aeroplane eraser.
Oh yeah, it's an airplane eraser. It's a puzzle eraser. I love these erasers. I bought a couple erasers with me too.
Yeah, and I got this silly old ink.
Ink for your mechanical pencil.
Yes, I got it. In
Oh,
my
you should.
backpack.
Here's a cute little bag, got sunshine, a rainbow. I love this backpack.
You wish you had it, but you
No, I got a My Little Pony bag. I'll show you.
Here is a book, like
Aw.
a pink book, and
I got seashells. It costs 95 cents.
so yeah, that's pretty cheap from the Dollar Tree. And I got this random mirror.
A random mirror. Look. Oh yeah, I can see your face. Nice.
I can see your face.
Here it is.
Okay, thank you.
So I'm worried about the song because my mommy's watching Netflix.
Yes, he's watching Netflix. And right
My
here,
mommy, if she like boring, she always watching Netflix. She's gonna finish the whole entire episode.
he might be oh, and I got some random tissues.
Tissues.
That's a win. And inside of my main compartment, I stashed a lot of stuff. I have my Smiggle headphones.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna jam it out. Oh my gosh. I can't fit these headphones actually.
So she gave me.
Oh yeah.
There's good for me.
Yeah, it's good for you. Yo.
And do not think this is a headphone. This is a calculator.
Oh yeah, so if you know like, I don't know, 8 minus 3. What is it? If you don't know, I'm going to show. If you don't know math, go in school. It's 5. Look at the calculator. I'm not cheating.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure if this 5. 8. It's totally 5, guys. The calculator is right. Oh my gosh.
It can take out the cover.
So yeah, it can take out the cover. This is just silicone thing here, and yeah, a little calculator from a brand named Squeak.
Squeak. I got a squeak sticker, a squeak stem.
Yeah.
Everything all squeaky. And this random blue one too.
A random blue notebook. It have a seashell. It costs 95 cents too.
Yep. And
pretty cheap.
I got this mystery chest. I want to show.
Yes, you want to show. Here's a mystery chest from the Shopkins blind bag.
You guys will not think if this is Shopkins. This is not Shopkins. Open it up. There's a bunch of there's clips.
There's a bunch of tape.
Clips.
And for you to jot down your notes.
And my clips.
And yeah, look, guys, look.
Clips.
It will close.
Hey!
Oh. Alright. Close. This is such a cute case.
That's what I mean.
So yeah, you can buy it anywhere you want. This is like the suitcase. It says S for Shopkins. We love collecting Shopkins.
Yeah, we got a lot of Shopkins. I didn't really randomly notice. I got this hairband and clip.
Oh yeah, she got a head. Silver, pink, silver, and plain purple.
And there's a random
paper page. What is this? Comment down below. What is this?
It's a chicken.
Comment down below. What's that?
And there is I bought a lot of razors. I got this lipstick and this cherry.
Okay, so she got this lipstick eraser.
I got Tony Pink.
Okay, let me put you lipstick. Let me put you lipstick fans.
This right up here,
Sister
right up here.
fans. Sister fans. Wait, hey.
That's magical.
Sister fans, put it on you. It's scented. It scented like grapes, and your lips will smell like a grape. And then, and got mermaids all over it. Look, mermaids.
And a glittery.
And so glittery. She says scented eraser.
I don't think this is a real one.
Okay, now we got the super cute little. I think I need a drink. It says cherry pop, and it says sweet 10 scented eraser. Look. It says fun fact eraser per can just 10. It says scented cherry and fun 100% fun. What sugar? Okay, sugar is 0%.
Okay, let's just pretend it's made from everything.
Yeah, so I got this little cap. I gotta open it up. Drink the soda. Oh my gosh, this is such cherry pops. So, look, there's a lot of erasers. Okay, all the color are the same. But look at this super cute cherry. You can erase. So cute. Yeah, this is really cool.
For school.
Cool, too cool for school.
And all the time I carry with me hand sanitizer.
It's a hand sanitizer, Hello Kitty. It's a keychain. You can hang it. So I think I'm gonna wear some Hello Kitty.
No! Don't take a lot. Just a bit.
Oh! Oh gosh, I take a lot. I'm so sorry.
No.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay.
It's just a little bit. I'll tell tomorrow.
I'm so sorry.
Mommy!
Ooh, feels good.
Mommy! Can we go to that shop again and buy my hand sanitizer because it's only a little bit?
I don't know, which shop did you go? I don't remember. You remember?
No.
You remember you let me know when we go?
I'm doing a dab.
I don't like it when you do like this. It's so horrible.
Smell my hand. Okay, let's give the friends some. You need to be nice to the friends. Here we go. Take some. Okay. So I'm sorry, sis. Is that okay?
Hey, a new one.
My sister's just crying in the corner. Hey, what's that? She's happy. Okay. Got a blue drop down notebook.
A paper.
A paper. What is A paper. It's just a paper. She can make her own book with this and a highlighter. So cute. So what else? Is that all you got?
Can you find how this is? You guys, if you guys sneak in my house to take my highlighter, do you know what is the password? Huh?
No, we don't have password.
The password is not.
So are you done or what?
Not yet.
Come on, you need to show one of your other stuff. Come on, show one of your other stuff.
This is how you.
Oh my god, look at that highlighter.
My password
Oh my
works.
gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's good to draw.
Come on, what else you got? What else?
That's
Baby
all.
mama. Looks like a mama.
That's all.
Okay, so my sister got that. Now
Ayra, why did you take all of the hand sanitizer?
I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, come on, give a okay, give a fan a kiss. Come on, give a fan some kiss. Give a fan some kiss. Mwah. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now, what do I got in my backpack? What do I got in my backpack is slime. Is the fluffy slime that we just played. Now, show you this massive My Little Pony backpack. So what do I got in my backpack?
Mommy, can we go to that store again and buy my new hand sanitizer? I can buy like a billion of them.
When the K-pop one. I got a portable charger for my MacBook.
Color.
I got an underwear. What the heck?
That's my underwear.
Okay, that's her underwear. And look, I got a headphones too. So we each got headphones. I got butterfly headphones.
Mommy, I thought you were going to change my clothes.
Yes. You smell baby.
Yeah.
You smell baby.
Mommy, I thought you were going to change
I
my
want another one baby. Very big baby. Yes, another big baby.
I'm shooting a video.
Mommy, where's my clothing that I asked?
So yeah, we got headphones. A smell. Hey, what? Underwear.
Underwear.
So I got that.
Underwear, this is not mine.
Okay, that's not hers.
I want my underwear.
So yeah, it's pretty cool.
This did not show me to the fans because
Okay, she's naked, guys.
did not. Don't make it. Mommy,
Okay, so she's naked, guys.
thank you. I don't want to wear these jeans. Okay. But if you look at these pants,
Got a purple charger here. Oh my gosh.
we're naked.
I don't want to keep this charger.
Ow. Ah!
So she's naked, guys. Keeping. So yeah, I got this. Now, what do I got is
Hey,
this
I'm
one.
gonna be so comfy this shirt.
So what I got is some baby oil for my hair or for my slime to soften it up. Baby oil. Now I got this owl plushie. It's so cute and adorable. It's by Teeny Toys, his hoodie, and her birthday is February 7. I buy it at Claire's. Now I got some stickers, a sheet of stickers.
That will go perfectly with my emoji.
Okay, so she can that. Now I got this eraser burger. Look at this massive burger. So I bought that. So yeah.
So guys, we're going to our hotel. Yay!
So we're going to our hotel.
Hotel room. Ouch.
So yeah.
Orang belakang ni semua tak dapat tu. Tinggal dia rasa dia boleh bungkus 2-3 je lagi. Bawah ni tu dah ada.
Stickers for you. And yeah.
Daun pisang
So
pun
I'm
ada.
really
Dia
tired.
beritahu makan dah dia.
So that's her ranch.
Daun pisang.
She was naked. And then she wore her
Memang
shoes.
betul lah timing pukul 10. By the time pukul 10,
I was naked.
habis lah. Biasa.
And then we got our pillow, flashlight pillow. And got our
Macam
blanket.
lebih. Betul lah. Tanah lebih.
So guys, we will off you guys.
We will end this video. We'll see you at the hotel. So please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye.